Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Yeti does in Grey Garden. You are able to obtain it via the Christmas egg. It is a divine pet. I finally got it. It is very tall. Let's pick up a reindeer here and place it in my garden. It basically occasionally devours a fruit with at least 16 mutation to summon the Yeti Knight Weather. Ignores favorited fruit. So if you have fruits in your garden, I don't have one in this one, it's going to eat it if there is at least 16 mutations on it, and it's going to again summon a Yeti Knight Weather. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's a cool pet. It's very tall. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.